Once upon a time, there was a quaint town nestled amidst rolling hills, where the emerald slopes caressed the sky. The sweet-smelling flowers swayed in a harmonious dance with the gentle breeze. The town, a picturesque haven cocooned by nature's artistry, exuded an undeniable charm. The air was infused with the sweet scent of blooming flowers and the earthy fragrance of the soil, creating a symphony of aromas that enveloped every corner. In this town, there stood a small but mysterious house in the middle of the hills. A strange and mysterious kind of silence covered this house. The house was filled with old, mysterious things, like old books, architectural wonders of the past such as a mysterious painting of Mona Lisa and the Great Pyramids of Egypt. There were many strange things in this house, a mysterious hourglass, a broken key, and a stopped clock. In this house, there lived a Professor, Samuel Everett. He was a brilliant yet eccentric inventor, a man with an extraordinary personality. He was influenced by small things and observed them keenly. He used to find meaning in small things that others didn't notice. Due to his extraordinary intelligence, he was different from other people. One thing he was most impressed by was time. He was inspired by Einstein's theory of relativity, which is one of the fundamental pillars of modern physics. He believed in Einstein's theory that states that if someone travels faster than the speed of light, he would escape from the prison of time into another era, enabling time travel to the past. He did most of his work on time travel, aiming to make people believe that time travel is possible. He made several inventions for it and provided many pieces of evidence, but nobody believed him. People could not comprehend how someone could travel through time because his inventions had never been successfully tested. Due to his extraordinary thoughts and concepts, people sometimes thought he was crazy. He was frustrated by this situation, but he did not lose hope and kept working. One day, during his experiment, he invented an extraordinary thing, the time key. The concept of the time key opened the doors to mysteries for him, and then he started thinking about unveiling this mystery to the world.